I am speaking with Mr. Brendan McCarthy of SpeechStorm. How are you today, sir?
I'm doing great, thanks very much. So it is.
Fantastic show, right? Your first time here, but you've got some longevity in the market space, but amazing, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's to see exactly what's going on, both from the handsets and the device, the format, and then also what our competitors and our partners are now doing with the customer care.
Let's talk about SpeechStorm. Where do you fit within this market space?
Well, we fit in the customer experience management. So you go on the App Store or Android market and you go customer experience, and there is no app there. So what we've done is we have taken our experience and our competency in doing customer experience within a IVR world, and we've basically put it on a new presentation layer, which is now the device, because the device is the one unification for either a phone call or a data interaction. And what we've taken then is saying, look, how do we get an app that is actually engaging, that a customer will want to reuse, that will actually provide the operational benefits to our customers? We're a business-to-business model, but these will be business-to-consumer apps.
Okay, so what I'm going to ask you twofold. One, where do I get the app now, and give me a good business use case for it that's currently in the market space?
Okay, at the moment we are working with launch customers, so we don't have the app on the marketplace space yet, but the use case would be, and you can see here, is a mobile operator. They have a high call volume coming in. You look at what typically someone calling their operator want to do is, what's my balance, when is my next bill due, and where am I my bundle? So how many texts do I have, how many voice minutes do I have, how much data do I have? We present that in one single screen that immediately will deal with a lot of the calls. So we're getting calls out of the contact center providing operational benefits. And at that stage, then we now move into more of getting an app that is engaging to people. So if they want to get assistance, they will click through and get assistance. What we're doing that no one else is doing at the moment is we're actually starting to help the customer understand the wait time they're going to do, so that they can then say, well, actually, I'm prepared to wait for 20 minutes to have this call because it's important to me. Or no, what I will do is I will ask my service provider to call me back at a time that is convenient to me. So we changed the whole interaction to being one of frustration to now to being one of, this is a really nice app, it's a good experience, and actually I am getting a service from my service provider.
And when do you think it's going to be available for the general use?
For general use with our launch customers, we're looking at June.
That's absolutely fantastic. And then where does the growth model go from there?
The growth model is that these are all templated. So everything you see here is branded with SpeechStorm, but the ability we will have for our operators is to actually rebrand it themselves and roll it out rapidly. Right. And then we also have a business user interface, so they can start to pull in the templated workflow in and start to build a new app, but instead of having a whole design process and a whole months of development, that we would look that within a day or two, that they will have their first cut of the app and then start to bring it through.
That's absolutely fantastic. I very much appreciate you taking the opportunity to speak with us here at Mobile World Congress. Hope we get a chance for an update again in the future. It's been absolutely fantastic, Brendan.
Right, thank you very much for your time.
Great. I've been speaking with Brendan McCarthy of SpeechStorm here at Barcelona's MWC. I'm Tony Sklar with bnetTV.